Are you looking for a natural way to improve your health? Look no further than SEAMOSS. This powerful seaweed has been used for centuries to treat various health problems because it is loaded with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants, making it an excellent source of nutrition. It can help boost your immune system, improve digestion, and combat inflammation. Plus, SEAMOSS is ideal for your skin. It can help reduce wrinkles and keep your complexion healthy and radiant. So watch this video and learn about the fantastic health benefits of SEAMOSS. 1. SEAMOSS is an excellent bodybuilder. The body works hard to produce energy and keep it stored in the form of fat. SEAMOSS is rich in protein, which helps the body build muscle mass and strength. It is made up of around 80% protein, making it one of the highest quality food sources of protein available in nature. It is an excellent source of nutrition for athletes and people trying to increase lean muscle mass because it works as a complete protein, providing the body with all the essential amino acids needed to maintain and build muscle mass. It also provides the body with vital minerals, including calcium, magnesium, and iron. These minerals are essential for bone health and growth. SEAMOSS is very high in chlorophyll, which helps the body absorb all of the vitamins and minerals it needs to stay healthy. The body can use these nutrients to build bones, tendons, and ligaments. It can also repair muscle tissue with the aid of these nutrients. Thus, a diet rich in seaweed is a good food source for the body to build muscle mass. 2. SEAMOSS boosts the immune system. The immune system is one of the body's most essential systems. It protects the body against infections and illness and fights off any foreign invaders that may enter the body. SEAMOSS is rich in iodine, a crucial nutrient for the immune system that plays a vital role in producing antibodies in the body. These antibodies are the body's first line of defense against foreign pathogens. They are made by white blood cells and released into the body to fight off bacteria, viruses, and other germs that may invade the body. A diet high in SEAMOSS is an excellent way to boost your immune system and prevent illness. 3. SEAMOSS is essential for a healthy brain. SEAMOSS is high in iodine, which helps the body make thyroid hormones. These hormones are vital for brain health and development. Iodine also prevents nervous system disorders like hyperactivity and learning difficulties. It is a cofactor for producing T3 and T4, hormones that help regulate the brain's electrical activity. The seaweed is high in zinc and magnesium, vital to brain development. These minerals are essential for assisting the brain in using energy, which is needed when learning new things. SEAMOSS is also high in B vitamins, vital in keeping cell membranes healthy and functioning normally. Hence, if you are concerned about learning difficulties or failing to keep up with the rest of your class or colleagues, you should consider supplementing your diet with seaweed. 4. SEAMOSS is good for the heart and regulates blood pressure. SEAMOSS has a lot of heart-healthy nutrients like magnesium, calcium, potassium, and iron. These minerals build strong bones and blood vessels, which can help prevent cardiovascular disease. They keep your blood vessels flexible and less likely to rupture, while iron helps absorb oxygen. Also, this seaweed helps regulate blood pressure and heart rate, which is essential for cardiovascular health. Seaweeds contain an amino acid called bromelain, which contains proteolytic enzymes that break down proteins. Bromelain can also be used as a natural anti-inflammatory, which helps lower blood pressure and regulates heart rate. 5. SEAMOSS can suppress inflammation. The body produces inflammation to protect itself, but chronic inflammation can lead to various diseases and health problems. SEAMOSS is an excellent source of antioxidants and polyphenols. These compounds help suppress inflammation, which helps protect you from diseases. SEAMOSS helps relieve pain and inflammation caused by injuries, arthritis, and autoimmune disorders. Therefore, SEAMOSS is a great herb to use during recovery. 6. SEAMOSS can help prevent and fight cancer. SEAMOSS contains many compounds that can suppress cancer growth, including carotenoids, flavonoids, and terpenoids. It has been found to prevent the spread of tumors in mice. It also stops the growth of cancer cells by inducing apoptosis, cell death. Sea moss is an excellent source of minerals, including calcium, magnesium, and iron. These minerals aid in cell division and repair in the body. They can also help prevent the buildup of free radicals in the body, leading to various health problems. 7. Sea moss helps with digestion and a healthy digestive system. Sea moss is packed with fiber, essential for the digestive system to function properly. It also contains binding agents that help maintain the bowel's health and protect against digestive problems. Binding with the bile acids in the digestive tract prevents them from being absorbed into the bloodstream. Bile acids are the digestive tract substances that help break down food particles into smaller parts. Sea moss uses its binding agents to slow down this process and ensures that there is less waste material coming out of the body. This way, fewer bile acids are needed, and the digestive system can work more efficiently. 8. Sea moss is a natural diuretic. Excess water can lead to several problems, including dehydration and mineral imbalances. Sea moss acts as a diuretic, helping to increase the amount of urine produced by the body. The seaweed can bind with water, thus making it difficult for the body to absorb. This way, less water is retained in the body, and more is excreted through the kidneys. 9. Sea moss can improve your skin's health. Sea moss can be a good remedy for you if you are experiencing acne or rosacea or have problems with excess oil on your skin. The seaweed absorbs excess oil and dead skin cells, acting as a natural exfoliator and preventing breakouts. Sea moss also improves the elasticity of the skin and reduces wrinkles. It contains vitamin C and calcium, both essential for collagen production. Collagen is a protein responsible for skin firmness and elasticity, helping maintain the skin's health. In addition, sea moss can be a remedy for burns, scars, or wounds. 10. Sea moss can help with hair growth. Sea moss can be very useful in various ways to support healthy hair growth. It can stimulate hair growth, reduce dandruff, and help with hair loss. According to a study, sea moss stimulates hair growth and improves hair texture by increasing blood supply to the hair follicles. The researchers found that sea moss contains proteins that bind to collagen and elastin, two of our body's proteins that play a role in scalp and hair growth. Thus, sea moss can work wonders as a hair loss and disease remedy. As you can see, sea moss is an excellent source of vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that offer health benefits for both men and women. This seaweed is also a natural source of iodine essential for thyroid health. It can be consumed in many ways, making it a versatile and convenient addition to any diet. So why not give sea moss a try and enjoy the many health benefits it has to offer? I hope you have enjoyed this video. If you have, please subscribe to this YouTube channel and don't forget to give this video the thumbs up. And I'm sure you're going to enjoy this next video on 19 amazing health benefits and uses of sea moss. Thanks for watching and bye for now.